Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video, we are going to start a new playlist in which we are going to talk about the practice session for Nightwatch. Okay, so this will be a part 1. Okay, in this one we are going to see one video. Okay, in this video we are going to see one questions. Okay, in a hackering platform. So the purpose of this video is to ensure like how when external people ask you about the Nightwatch handson, so how you can appear in that exam. Okay, so that is the basic idea to creating this playlist. So let's first we will see the questions. Okay, so for this one we are seeing this we are seeing this HackerRank platform. Okay, in this HackerRank platform, if you see, so Nightwatch first script questions you can see here. Okay, so what we have to write here na, so we have to write a script. Okay, so a script will be like we have to create a Nightwatch script, okay, for these 4 test cases. Okay, so first test cases will be we have to create a function as demo test Google. Okay, function name will be demo test Google. Then we have to launch the Google application. Then we have to wait for application to load using wait for element visible syntax, and then we have to verify the Google data. Okay, so these are the 4 test cases we have to verify or we have to write. Okay, so how we will write? So see, this video is not for a beginner. Okay, because if you don't know about the Nightwatch, then I will suggest you to go and watch the Nightwatch tutorial which already uploaded in my channel. Okay, this is for intermediate or advanced people, okay, who already know the Nightwatch and then they just want to give some or appear for the hands-on. Okay, so how we can start? See, the syntax will be basic. Okay, what we have learned in the hands-on in the tutorial, so that same syntax will be there, but some different minor changes we will do here. Okay, so first if you want to start any script, so we will write like module dot exports. Okay, and then we have to give equals to, and then we have to give this braces. Okay, now here we are writing the test case name. Okay, so test case name will be demo test Google. Okay, so we have to write demo, okay, test, and then Google. Okay, and then we have to give colon and then function. If you are not about this syntax, then definitely I will tell you to go and watch my Nightwatch tutorial first. Okay, so it will help you. Now, so why we have written this one? Because the questions ask us to write. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to launch the browser. So we will give browser, okay, and then we will give .url. Okay, and inside this one we will pass Google URL, https colon / okay, www.google.com. okay, so this is a URL of Google. Okay, so just remember this https colon and / this is a must. Okay, we have to write this one to launch any browser. Now what we have to do? The third one we have to do, we have to wait, okay, for the application to load. Okay, and we have to use the syntax wait for element visible. Okay, so dot wait for element visible, wait for element visible. Okay, and inside this one we have to pass locator, that will be body, and then we have to pass some timing, so I am giving 4 seconds. Okay, so it will take 2 arguments. First one is locator, because we are waiting for the application, so the locator will be body. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to verify the title. So for verifying the title, we have to write dot assert dot title. Okay, and then title. See, title we don't know, but we know this URL. So what we can do? We can copy this one and paste anywhere in the Google Chrome. Okay, so title will be Google. You are seeing title will be Google. So we will write Google. Okay, and this will be closed automatically. Now save it and run it. Okay, so simple 3 step you have to do. So first you have to, if you click it, you have to click on install first. Okay, so all the dependency will be installed. Now you have to, the second step will be run and then test. So after running, it will say like 2 assertion passed, and what they ask in our test cases are we are achieving these things. Okay, now we will test it, so that we will see like all the scenario are passing or not. Okay, so we can see the score showing 100%. It means all the scenario were passed. Okay, so like this way you can appear for the assessment. Okay, So this is a basic demo questions so that I just want to let you know about these things. Okay, and one more thing, see, I have written a browser here, and then I am writing .url, .wait for element, .assert. You can do like this also, browser.url, browser.wait for element, or browser.assert. So either you can write browser 3 times, or you can define one time browser, and then using .url you can write this one. Okay, so now like from here you can submit your exam also. Okay, if you click on submit after checking the test scenario, then you can submit it. Okay, so here I can submit it. Yes, close this test. So I hope you understand this one. So we'll see you in the next lecture with different session. Okay, thank you, bye bye.